Okay, so what we are gonna do now is we're gonna prepare an extra tray for the worms. Vamos a preparar una bandeja extra para los gusanos. Just because I want to start using the castings, the worm castings. Quiero empezar a usar las cacas de los gusanos. So this is the one that we're gonna prepare, obviously, and this is the one where all the worms are. Yeah, we do this very gently, and remember that this is the soil that we had from that splitting the main bin video, soil that we have been using to grow some seedlings. Este suelo lo hemos empezado a usar para crecer algunas plántulas. Fue lo que saqué del video separando el contenedor principal de gusanos o algo así. Y I have to say that the use of this soil has not been very successful. No ha sido súper exitoso el uso de este suelo. Exactly. So you can move that, you can put it on top of that thing if you want, move it here somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna edit a bunch of shit here.
Signs of worms.
No hay gusanos acá.
There's no worms in here, so I don't think there's any live worms here.
Let me focus in there.
Can I take out this plastic wrap? Is this no? Ooh, this is the bacteria. Okay, I'd like gloves. This is the bacteria, isn't it?
Those are mites.
Yeah, I'll take the gloves, thanks. Because what if they get on my fingernails and they...
You can call all my stuff this crap shit and this...
Thank you for the gloves. Okay.
Okay, if you want to remove that bottle, you can do...
Yes. So this was one of your feeding tubes.
It would be nice to see if it actually worked. Me gustaría ver si es que ese sistema funcionó y los gusanos realmente comieron. How everything looks. There's seeds there. Those must be pepper seeds.
This one? No.
No, the other ones. The small one. Pepper seeds.
So we've got 3 here. You can see the condition of the soil though. It's quite different. Like it's...
What was that? It was something like... That's another avocado pit. Cáscara de... Huesco de palta. That's cáscara de palta. So they were getting at them.
What is that?
That might be a piece of plastic from...
No, is it? Is that how it disintegrates or doesn't? Really?
I don't know, what is it? Man, it looks like one of those alien movies right now.
It does, doesn't it? Look.
I have no idea what that is.
It's like it's coming from this thing. What's this?
Oh, there's a little bit of eggshell there, but like...
Oh, that's what it is. It's eggshell.
De la cáscara del huevo es eso. Desintegrado. Ya. Is that germinated?
Yeah, totally germinated.
Wow. Okay, I can use that one. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Como germinó el cuesco de palta. Este es súper interesante porque germinó dentro de la botella.
So this one germinated inside of the feeding bottle. Obviously, I don't know the right conditions, whereas this one, for whatever reason, didn't. This one just rotted. The intent was not to germinate it, but yeah.
Estas son plántulas, actually. These are seedlings, right? You can see how elongated they are. But this one, they usually sprout in the darkness. So that shows that the bottle is pretty effective. La botella funciona. Obviously, you're not gonna leave the plastic bottle there forever, but it's a good reusable container. So maybe you can even find, because you know what I also did? Oh yeah, that.
The spring roll.
Yeah. So that, be careful.
Because it's full of food in it. Look at the wormies.
Yeah, that's full of food in there, right?
And worms. Look at them. Look.
So that shows that that one also works. There's a bunch of worms in there eating.
Okay, so can I open this?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, look at that. Oh, man, there's baby ones. Look at all those mites, which I don't like. I don't like the mites, but I like the worms. Look at the baby. Can you see this baby one?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. Like this one. Tiny. Super tiny. Like it's fresh.
Yeah, it reminds me of this Asian friend I had. That he had worms.
You see how he's moving?
Oh, I see that he's holding from the thing.
You know that's not a worm. That's not a worm.
It is.
No.
Okay.
Now I was saying that I think that this here is a maggot and not a worm, based on the way it was moving.
Okay, yeah, you can see like a white.
He's not moving now, is he?
Yeah, it's not moving.
But my point is that this was moving like a maggot, and you're saying it was moving like a worm.
Yeah, but it was newborn.
I mean, fine, it would make sense that it's a worm.
Yeah.
But he still moves like a maggot.
Yeah, but have you seen baby maggots?
Yes.
And they are like that.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna leave that on the video. They're gonna leave it because you said yes.
I know what I said.
Yep.
I'm standing by it.
Yep. Just so you know, I'm gonna put a video next to this comment. That's not hard to find on the internet, right? And then you can decide.
These are all baby ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so is it recording still?
Yeah.
So for the record, that other little one that I said was a maggot,
Yeah.
I take it back, it was a worm.
Yeah.
There's baby ones, look here, can you see this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
This is the other spring roll.
I think there's.
Look.
And that's where that's where the newborns go, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe they like.
It's like a nursery for. Yeah.
Wow. Pretty cool, huh?
I love it.
Okay. You might have that in your stomach.
No, I don't.
Well, I don't know. You just said you love it.
I'm a vegan.
That doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, totally.
So what we're gonna do now, since we realize that it's impossible to count them, if I were to say that before last count was like 250 or something like that, seeing the number of babies and the very very tiny worms, y así puedo decir que el conteo anterior 250 o algo así, la cantidad de guaguas que hay, right?
Oh, definitely. There's so many new ones.
Like there's minimum 100. 100 mínimo. Entonces no los vamos a contar, and we're just gonna proceed to move them to this new tray. And
Very carefully, so I don't hurt
but
them.
just try to move the worms.
I'll try.
Maybe the pieces of food that you see, full cardboard and stuff, the paper, that stuff. So basically, try to not leave anything here that the worms would
Gravitate.
may want to go back at. Ya, tratar de no dejar nada en esta bandeja que pueda hacer que los gusanos vuelvan a la bandeja. Not make it delicious. Okay, I hate that word, but. Eso es lo que vamos a hacer. Vamos a poner comida acá. So we're gonna have both trays going. Vamos a usar las dos bandejas. Porque esta bandeja todavía no está lista y tiene un montón de cartón. That's a lot of cardboard.
It is feeling good though.
Sí, la tierra está bien. That's all worm castings. Esos puros cacones de gusano, que es lo que queremos. Pero está mezclado con cartón. It's mixed with cardboard. To think that this was bunny litter 2 months ago. Right? Because I started this in October.
Yeah, you did.
Esto se empezó en octubre. Y en octubre esto era una cuestión de cacones de conejo.
This is good new, like, roughage.
Esta bandeja debería ir abajo. Should be in the bottom. Then we put the paper on top. And then this. Después el papel encima y esta. I'm just gonna move that one. We have the bottom tray. Then we're gonna put this paper tray as a wall. Esta va a ir como una pared o muralla, y después vamos a poner esta that we're gonna feed right now. Esta es la que vamos a alimentar ahora.
Do you think they mind it's cold?
Right?
Does it matter that they don't mind it's cold, right?
No. I have here a tray full of apples and kitchen scraps, right? Then with this, even have liquids and shit. So this is all going in the freezer. Esto todo va a ir en el freezer ahora esto, and we getting ready for the next feed thing.
So we're just going to take this tray of food, and even though it's frozen, I'm going to try and...
You could even leave it like that. This is gonna have a lot of water. You need to put the paper on top, you know, for moisture control. And right now I don't have any, but I'm gonna have to make some with a shredder and put it on top, probably tomorrow or something like that. But for now, this is the video. This is a lot of food also. Esto es un montón de comida. and it should be enough for like probably more than a month. Definitely more than a month. We're gonna finish the video here. Terminamos el video. Nos vemos. Gracias por la visita. And see you later. Chao. Nos vemos. Bye.